In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Cdkeys coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Cdkeys coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Hot UK Deals. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one with up to 55% discount on purchases. So all you need to do is tap where it says see deal. So for this one, there is no code required. All you need to do right here is tap on this button where it says go to shop, and you will be redirected to the website where the promo will be applied automatically. Going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called TechRadar. So right here, we also have some codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say you want to get this one with 10% discount of selected gangster themed games. So all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says get code. So this is the promo code right here. You have this green button from where you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one in order to get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.